There's like a gigantic thunder.
Sorry.
Dang, it's raining harder now. Like super duper hard. I know you guys can't see it, but you guys can hear it. I'm not sure if you guys can hear me either.
Oh, wow.
Oh my God. Gonna go. Woo! Dude, did you guys see that? Okay, I'm gonna go. Oh my God, I freaking jumped, guys. Oh. Okay, time to go back inside now, Vicky. Okay, come on, let's go.
Wait, I'm gonna hear thunder again.
No more thunders, man. Okay, that's the last thunder you guys heard. Let's go. No, don't leave me.
Go inside, Maya.
No. I dare you to go ring that thing right there. I dare you, yeah. Good job. I'm not doing it. Okay, come on, let's go. Time to go back inside now. Come on. Now we're going back out there again.
For me.
Because I don't want to go in here alone. More lightning, guys. Oh! I have to post this on YouTube. Oh my God. Like the more lightning, the more thundering. Okay, let's go now. Dude. Just so you guys know, this isn't my actual house because I'm just with her right now. Because my mom and the others went to go golfing, but then it had to start raining. So I don't know what the heck they're doing right now. Okay, let's go. Go eat your Sonic. Oh.